Well, good morning, everybody. This is gonna be my vlog today. This will probably go up on Sunday. This is our first snow for the winter season this year, and it's more of an icing. We got a bunch of sleet last night, and now it has turned over to snow, which is gonna probably go for the next several hours. Beginning to see some accumulation, but there's a sheet of ice up under this snow, so I'm about to walk to work. Here's my snow boots I have on for tonight. Y'all can see those. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but anyway, I got my snow boots on. I'll give you a peek outside real quick. So that's the alleyway, and then as you can see, zoom in, the parking lot there. So I'm afraid that's going to be very slippery. I have not received a call from my boss telling me that the bank is going to open late. So seeing that I only live a couple of blocks away, I'm going to go ahead and walk down. I am layered up, guys. I got my earmuffs on. I got me a scarf over my head. I have gloves in my pocket. Got my umbrella in case it is still doing some precipitation outside. And guys, y'all gonna get to see me ice skate to work. But yeah, this is exciting. At the same time, it's kind of scary because we don't get a whole lot of snow in the south. So let's just hope everybody be safe. So I'm gonna get out this door now. Check in a minute. So here we are, guys. I'm out here in this sleet, basically. This is all it is ice. Straight ice. And they're saying that it's gonna snow on top of this. So this is pretty much what I'm dealing with right now. It is very, very slippery. I do have on my traction snow boots, but I don't think it's a good idea to out here driving on this ice. Wow. I need to step over the side and get my speed. So I decided to let my umbrella down because it's not really rain, it's just ice hitting me in the face. But y'all can see behind me. I guess this is kind of exciting for Memphis because we never really get anything down here. And it always makes it funny when people get mad at us and say, panicking over 2 or 3 inches of snow. But when you live in the south, it would be just like if it ever snowed in Jamaica or snowed in Hawaii. You know, the people would be kind of frantic because guess what? They don't really get snow. So no, if you don't get snow, you really don't know how to act in snow. Of course, people that live up north, they get snow every year, every winter. You guys are used to it. You know, we're not. We don't even have equipment that, you know, really can take care of our roads and things. You know, people are never used to driving on it, so it makes a whole lot of sense. It just trips me out how people act sometimes when people that are not used to this type of weather, and then they have to, you know, deal with it. So I think it's beautiful. I love it. But yeah, it does take a little getting used to. And the scarf is blowing off. Yeah, but see, I live downtown. It's a wind tunnel, so it is, wind is blowing like crazy. But luckily I don't have to drive in it, so that's not even a worry of mine. I just walk on along. So guys, yeah, this is my winter wonderland. It's beginning to look a lot, no it ain't. It's not looking like Christmas. We should have had this last month. Anyway, I will see you guys later. I might vlog on the way home so you can see if it's gotten any worse. Have a great day, everybody. Be safe. Hey guys, I made it to work. It is snowing outside. it is beautiful right now. I'm going to try to get outside so that I can get you know, a little viewing of the snow actually falling. I'm excited. I don't know. I just love when it snows. You know, it can be dangerous, you know, driving on it, especially if you got a sheet of ice like we have. But it is beautiful, and I'm just excited. There's no one here in my office but me and my boss right now, and yes. So we're gonna see how this day gonna turn out. But anyway, I don't know. I just feel happy. I don't know. It makes me feel happy. So I'm getting a shot out the window because they got this door locked. I can't get out. Look at it, guys. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It is falling down. We probably have maybe, I'd say that's about 3 inches now, maybe. Falling. It's falling. It's falling. It's so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I don't act like a little kid, I guess, when it snows. But I'm loving it. I wish I could step outside, but they got the door locked. Dang it. Why? Oh no, that ain't so long. That was just me not knowing how to open it. Beautiful, beautiful. Untouched is gorgeous. But anyway, guys, let me get back in before I freeze to death. It's snowing, guys, in Memphis, Tennessee. Yay. See y'all later. So guys, I'm on my lunch break and I decided to come out so I can see what's going on here. How it's looking out here. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see. I'm just going across the street to the store. I'm not walking home. Get me some snacks. Okay. So this is what we're looking at. Yeah, we got about, this look about like 4 inches. So they were pretty accurate, I guess. And it's not melting anytime soon because it's only going to be 28 today. That's the high for today. As you can see, they got the front of my building closed. We have the inner only on one side because they don't want anybody falling down those steps over there. Don't look like this street, which is a trolley street, is not going to get any type of salt, sand, or anything. But it's not pretty like it was when it was untouched. Uh-oh, somebody's sliding. Somebody's just sliding. Sliding, sliding, sliding. I am just walking over to the store. I don't need anything. I'm not going home for lunch when I walk this way because I will be going to the house. This is what we're looking like, guys. All right, then. So I'm headed back, guys. Just had to get a pick up a couple things to take home with me today. I hope this wind is not too loud. Take home with me this evening. I'm just gonna spend this weekend doing some cleaning. People are trying to dig out. The thing about it here is it's ice. It's not snow. So, well, it is snow, but it's snow packed on top of ice. So with it not gonna get any warmer today, it's just gonna refreeze tonight. It's just sitting, guys. But this is exciting. It's a snowstorm for us. We probably won't get no more than this. And I'm excited. So I will probably wrap this vlog up tonight when I get home. I don't know. I may just kind of walk down Main Street this evening. I think they're going to let us go early. We might close a little early today, hopefully. Maybe 2 or 4, between 2 and 4. Well, we close at 5, so. But anyway. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. And I'm going to get back in here to my job and enjoy my lunch break. All right, guys. See you this evening. Well, guys, I'm finally off. I'm walking home, and as I expected, this ice is now freezing over the snow, and it is hard, and it's slippery, and even with my snow boots on, I am sliding, guys. So, needless to say, I'm walking pretty slow. I know I look crazy with my earmuffs on. I don't have my scarf on my head, which I should have had on. It is a mess out here. So I'm trying to turn around and kind of let you see a view of my experience walking home. I had to stop, even though I had the green light, because I didn't know if that car was going to be able to stop through the light. Because what's making this dangerous is because it's just a sheet of ice. It's not no traction or anything. And this trolley road, they do not salt. Look at this, guys. This is ridiculous. And this is just going to refreeze tonight because the high today was 28. And tonight, it's going to be like 19 degrees. So it looks like a long weekend of sitting indoors. I was hoping to go to the movies this weekend. I really wanted to. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey guys, I just wanted to stop in so that I can end this vlog. I want you guys to know that I made it home safely. I slipped and slided and ice skated all the way home. But I made it, and I just want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Snowstorm 2018, Memphis, Tennessee, guys. One for the records, that's going to go in my memory jar because it was fun. I had fun running around today out in the snow, just being like a kid, excited about it. I'm home in my warm apartment now. Looking at these locks, you know, my hair's so dry. One thing I have to say, that this type of weather is really drying on your hair if you have locks. But thanks again. Just wanted to end the vlog. Hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, a nice holiday weekend. It is Martin Luther King holiday weekend. I pray that, you know, you guys take a moment and honor his memory and all the things that he did to bring equality and unity among people, especially the black community. And I thank you once again, and I'll see you soon. This is all for today. Have a great one. Bye.